Down syndrome, also known as trisomy 21, is a genetic disorder caused by the presence of an extra copy of chromosome 21. This condition affects humans and is characterized by physical and intellectual disabilities. However, it is important to note that Down syndrome is specific to humans and animals do not develop this condition. Nevertheless, there are some animals that may exhibit certain characteristics or physical abnormalities reminiscent of Down syndrome in humans. While these traits might resemble those seen in individuals with Down syndrome, it is crucial to remember that animals do not have the same genetic makeup or developmental processes, so any similarities are coincidental. One example often mentioned is the presence of physical features such as a flattened facial structure. Some animals, such as certain dog breeds, example are boxers, bulldogs, or cats with certain genetic mutations, may have a flattened face similar to some humans with Down syndrome. However, in these animals, this characteristic is due to specific breeding practices or genetic variations unrelated to human trisomy 21. Another potential resemblance is the predisposition to certain health conditions. Individuals with Down syndrome have a higher risk of developing certain medical conditions, including heart defects, hearing loss, and thyroid problems. Similarly, some animals may be more prone to specific health issues due to their breed or genetic predisposition, but these conditions are not directly related to Down syndrome. Furthermore, animals can demonstrate varying cognitive abilities, with some individuals displaying more advanced problem-solving or learning skills. Occasionally, animals may exhibit certain behavioral patterns or intelligence levels that could resemble aspects of intellectual disabilities seen in humans with Down syndrome. However, these resemblances are coincidental and not linked to the genetics or developmental processes associated with Down syndrome. It is essential to approach comparisons between animals and humans with Down syndrome with caution and sensitivity. Making direct connections between the two can be misleading and perpetuate misunderstandings about the condition. While animals can have their own unique genetic disorders and conditions, these should be appropriately identified and studied based on their own distinct biology. Scientific research helps veterinarians and researchers understand and address specific conditions and challenges that animals face, but should not be confused or compared to Down syndrome in humans. In conclusion, animals do not develop Down syndrome. Any physical or behavioral similarities observed are coincidental and should not be misconstrued as animals having this genetic disorder. It is important to appreciate the uniqueness and diversity of the animal kingdom and approach their health and well-being with a specific focus on their distinct genetic makeup and needs.